So you're like I said, you're getting ready to fly passengers in space. You yourself are going to get that glimpse into what the world looks like. Do you think that will have any shift in perspective for the people who get that opportunity to do that? And do you think that could affect conflict resolution in any way?
I think every single person who's been into space has come back a transformed person, and I believe you're one of them. I mean, just seeing that beautiful globe, how pristine it looks, or generally looks anyway from space. People come back wanting to protect it, and they want to protect the people on it, they want to protect the environment on it, so. I think that as long as it's not costing much in an environmental sense, and I think the trips we're doing, we've managed to almost make it, zero environmental cost. Then I think the more people we can send into space, the better. And therefore, it's up to us to, bring the price of space travel down. And it's also important, we know that space technology transforms things back here on Earth, and I think through Virgin Galactic, we think we've got some radical ideas to, enable like every single person in Africa to have mobile phones and internet access at next to no cost whatsoever.
Right.
And so space is transformative.
It is. So I have one request.
Yeah.
When you get that opportunity, I'd like you to come back and tell me, I want to compare our experiences of that first glimpse out the window when you see the curvature of the Earth and the blackness of space, and I'd love to hear your first impressions.
Well, I look forward to sharing it with you. Okay, thank you.